Hey guys, in today's video, we're finally reviewing something from the rebrand of Kylie. I know I have not done it yet, and you know I'm a Kylie stan if you've been here since Kylie Cosmetics basically really got into the makeup game, like not just lip kits, everything. And I finally broke down like 2 years ago and tried it, fell in love. They follow me on Instagram, they repost me all the time. Kylie Skin too, they've sent me packages. I really love Kylie, but I wanted to try this out, the Valentine's Day collection. I have some stuff to say about this palette. I have some stuff to say about Kylie palettes in general, but we're gonna test it out today. I'm gonna show you how it worked out. And this might be like, you know, you're like, dang, you did another neutral look. Yes, I did, but I'm gonna pop some pink in the inner corner when I get my base on, so don't come for me yet, okay? But okay, first, we do have a lip kit to try out. This is one of the Valentine's Day lip kits. I know it's past Valentine's Day, but I really like this collection. It gives off daytime date vibes. Definitely not nighttime, daytime date vibes. Like, it's like really like, let's go to lunch, or let's go to an early dinner, or let's go to breakfast. That's what it gives off to me, not date night vibes. I was really surprised about that, but I'm for it because I've really been loving a light eye. I don't really like harsh dark eyes that much because I feel like it emphasizes right here on me, but everybody's different, and I would love to see like at least a deep color in the palette. That's what I'm gonna get into. But first, let's get into this lip kit. I'm gonna be swatching it. This is the matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. This is the shade About Last Night. I really wish that she would come back out with her velvet formula because they're my favorite. As you can see in this cup right here, I have a whole bunch of Kylie lipsticks from her last brand, and I use them religiously. But I have gotten a few more shades of the new stuff. I've gotten a lip liner, which Handbag Ho, it's my new favorite. It definitely is going to replace Hot Chai whenever that comes back out. Then I got two of the liquid lipsticks. I really like this formula better than the last one. My fiance chose this color, which he did that. This is the shade Clo Money, and this is the shade Hazel, which was influenced by Kay Yanger on Instagram, and I definitely had to grab that because that's her favorite, and like the shade is like perfection. Got a lip blush, which I have not tested out yet. Definitely follow me on Instagram because I really want to try this. It's a shade Butterfly. I not only got it because my mom loves butterflies, but this is a really gorgeous color. Like, it's pretty, it's different. I feel like it's gonna come in handy in the spring. So I just wanted to share with you, I like her lip liner formula better than the last one. The last one kind of like ran out really easy. I don't feel like it's as creamy, but it's still creamy. It's not just, it doesn't melt when you touch your lips. So I really like her new lip liner and liquid lipstick formula. I also like the new formula of the blush and the highlighters because the highlighters seem more liquidy instead of more powdery, and the blush just seems more pigmented and velvet. Like, I really like the blush, but blush is probably my favorite. And I will talk about the new eyeshadow palette formula in a second. But since I was showing you guys these, I really wanted to talk about the lipstick formulas and everything I've tried so far. So I'm excited for this color. I probably will use Handbag Ho because I cannot have a matching lip liner, and I like ombre lips. So I probably will put Handbag Ho and then this in the middle because I'm just used to that. But I did swatch both of these for you guys, and there's what the swatches look like. I really love the packaging. The packaging is fire. It's so cute. I love the cherries, and I'm really surprised that she did not do a red lip. I'm actually pretty proud of that because that like caught me off guard because I was like, oh, she's gonna launch two different kind of red lips. No, she launched two new lips, and they are both pretty cute. I just got the more like mauve color, so yeah, that's that. I will be trying this on at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned. But now for the pressed powder eyeshadow palette. Not gonna lie, packaging is adorable. I love the glitter. The glitter does not come off really. It's kind of come off a little bit, but not too awful much at all. Like, barely anything has come off. I really like that Kylie does do that. Just like a tiny little bit, but it doesn't matter to me because glitter is everything. Mirror, such good quality as always. But the shades, okay. So I was like wanting it to be a daytime palette and then a nighttime palette because, you know, date nights, like daytime dates. I don't know how to say daytime dates because date night just is so normal. But I was hoping to see, like, I feel like she could have got rid of love songs and popped a dark brown right there. We would have been set. And then for Be Good to Me, I feel like that could have been like either get rid of one of these shades because I feel like, I don't know. I just feel like one of these two could have been a dark brown color, like either one, because this is pretty light. As you can see, I used it. Pretty light, so I feel like that could be the transition shade in this. Like, I get it, it's probably a transition for the oranges, but again, like, you could have got rid of Adore Me because there's no really, like, you could use all these transition together, so why would you use Adore Me? And it's just, I'm just missing a dark brown like somewhere in this palette. Plus I don't feel like like people like my sister, like dark skin, Like, I don't feel like they can use this, and it really makes me irritated to see this. I've seen other palettes like this as well, and that's probably, like, I have literally not bought a palette because of the fact that it didn't have a dark enough color in it, because I like to deepen, I like dimension. The only thing that saved this look is because Chocolate Strawberries is a satin, so it kind of bounces off the light, and you can see my crease a little bit more. But I was like really disappointed putting this on, not because of the formula, no, but the shades, just the shades. I feel like she needs to be more inclusive. Like, I really feel like that, and some palettes are, but most of the palettes don't include a shade. This smells like chocolate. I just noticed it. It smells like chocolate. It smells so good. It smells like the Too Faced chocolate bronzer. It smells delicious. But anyways, yeah, like I like this. I like this color story. That's why I got it. I do like it. I see tons of looks in it. I really wanted to do the look Micaylah did. I feel like I'm talking about myself. I wanted to do the look Micaylah did, but I needed to just do the colors that were calling my name, which were the brown, chocolate strawberries, this color, and when I swatched it, this color. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner for a pop of color. But yeah, I did swatch them. As you can see, I can tell you that which one was really crumbly. For Forever and Ever, that shade was really, really bad when I swatched it. Like, it just felt dry and crumbly. And then All For You is so pretty. The pigment's there, but it crumbled. So I feel like maybe her shimmer shades still definitely need something for you to wet it with. Like, I always wet my brush with shimmer shades, period. Like, I don't ever put a shimmer shadow on my eye without something wet, or at least over a cream. But I still like the formula. Like, the formula is still bomb. Like, this formula is fire. Her eyeshadow formula is fire. Like, some of the shades I haven't tested out, of course, but the two shades I did test out were fire. And I feel like I will probably never use this shade because it crumbled so badly on my hand when I swatched it. But the by the Fire, I know this shade is so hard to get. I know it stains your hand, by the way. It stains your eye. So it's called pressed powder because it stains. But this shade, I was actually pretty impressed with how it swatched. I was like, this isn't gonna I was proven wrong. But okay, let's just get into the tutorial. It was $30 for this, and I think $29 for the lip kit, which is standard. Like, that's a good price, not $60. That's why I did not get her birthday launch, because that's just too much. Like, I can't be spending that type of money. I got things to do. Y'all. So I couldn't justify doing it. This is P. Louise base, by the way. Don't mind this. I don't want y'all to see this, so I am covering it up for this video. So you're welcome. It's a disaster. Okay, that's blended out. So the first shade I went in with is Chocolate Strawberries, and I only used 2 shades out of this palette. I know, I'm sorry. But okay, so Chocolate Strawberries is actually a really pretty color. Like, I would definitely use this for everyday, like, but for more intricate looks that I do like for Instagram and YouTube, like, this is like my creative space right here. So like, I try to do like more than just what I do every day, which is pop a brown on my crease, let's be more specific, pop a brown on my crease, pop Defiance from Auric on my lid, call it a day. But I wanted to do something. I did want to do something more intricate today, but I was like, you know, let's do a pop of color for something different, because I know that's really messy, but watch how easy these blend out. I was honestly really impressed by this because they blend out flawlessly, like seamlessly. It's like velvet. This color is not matte, not completely matte. It's like satin. It's not matte. Like, it has like it reflects the light just slightly. It's really pretty. I am obsessed with this color. I wanted to use this color. I overly used this color in this look, honestly. I just kept applying it, even though I didn't need to. I probably don't even need to do it now, but you know, who cares? It's my face. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you like and dislike from Kylie, the new revamped Kylie Cosmetics. Like I said, the blush and the liquid lipsticks are like so much better. I really do like them. Like, they feel so much more comfortable, and the blush just glides on so smooth. I wish I had it to show you guys, but I don't. It's at my fiance's house. But yeah, I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm gonna cut my crease off camera, and I'll be right back because we're done. See how easy that blended? Like, these shadows blend so good. Like, I did love her other palettes. Like, I have like this drawer right here is so full of Kylie Cosmetics palettes, but they're none of the new ones. This is my first new palette, so definitely still blends like a dream. Okay, so crease is cut. If you do want to reference how I cut my crease, just scroll through my videos, and literally any other cut crease video, I cut my crease on camera. So yeah, I wanted to save time because I know I ramble. Anyways, onto the shade He's Mine. I feel that shade name so much. I feel it so much because he is mine. I'm spraying it with the Benefit Professional Super Setter Setting Spray because, you know, I always, like, look at this. Like, okay. Like, look at that. It's still liquid foil. Like, literally, that's what it reminds me of. And I'm obsessed with it at all times. Just glides on. I'm barely pressing. Not pulling on my eye too much. Don't need to do all that. And then, boom. All done. Just let it dry. We'll be back whenever it dries. So easy. Like, this is so easy. Like, her formula is so easy. So, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so it is dry and I patted some P. Louise. Okay, this is a hack. If you have that line, you know, the line where you put a metallic eyeshadow, I should have showed you guys. I apologize. But when you have a metallic eyeshadow and then there's a line, even if you do blend it in with the shadow, you can still kind of see it. Put some, you know, eyeshadow base over it that's pigmented and just tap a little bit of it in and then it's gone. Like when you go to blend it out, which I'm using chocolate strawberries to blend this out. I have a hair on my eye. When you go to blend in an eyeshadow, I have a hair on my eye. I see it now. There we go. Go in to blend out an eyeshadow. Like, honestly, these two shades make the most prettiest color to begin with. Like, let me just appreciate that now. These two shades together, this metallic and this chocolate strawberries color, make the most gorgeous shade. But all I do is put it, like, blend them in like this, and you guys, it's so perfect. Like, the blend is so seamless. Don't have that issue with the outer corner being visible. And I'm going to actually share this eyeliner with you guys because remember the CoverGirl Get In Line eyeliner? They reformulated it and rebranded it and repackaged it. It is the most amazing liquid liner ever. Before they even did this, but now it's even better because they have an even more sharper tip, and I just can't get over it. Like, it is so perfect. Like, how perfect is that? The applicator is legit fire. There is no ifs, ands, buts about it. So run, go get this. It's $7.99 at Target. You'll thank me later. It is matte, like no shine, and it comes in black too. You need to get it. Okay, I'm gonna do my face and everything, and then I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere, please. Okay, so I just have to say, if you hear snoring, my mom's dog's in here, like, knocked out sleep. Could not cover that up for the life of me, but I did finish my lower lash line, which I just used the leftover on the brush to, like, you know, bam, done. But now we're gonna go in with the pink shade. So what I had to do actually was take because it was really, like, not as vibrant as I wanted it. I had to take a pencil liner, and where I wanted it the most pigment, I basically put this liner like that. I mixed Can't Compete and Piece of Heaven together, which Can't Compete is so crumbly. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's super crumbly, but it's still pretty. It's just really hard to work with when you put it in such a precise spot, but it's gorgeous. Like, once applied, it's so gorgeous. Like, I had a lash issue, so that's why I seem really irritated. My lashes wouldn't go on, so yeah. But I did line my lips with the shade Handbag Ho lip liner, and now I'm gonna pop on About Last Night liquid lipstick. I hope this looks good. Oh, okay, yeah, that's a good combo. I really actually do like this combo. Okay, it's really pretty. Like, I do like this. This is much warmer than I thought it was going to be on my skin, but okay, I'm liking it. So in regards to the whole, like, you know, the whole spiel, the palette's easy to use. It's a really nice formula. I just wish you would get, like, you know, the deepening shade. I wish you'd be inclusive with most of her palette. She's not. That's my issue. Besides that, everything seems to be, like, amazing. Some glitter came off on the palette, like a big chunk. Don't know where that went, but yeah, the palette is really nice. I really like the palette. So some of the shades are crumbly, so just be aware of that, but everything's usable. Everything's definitely usable. Amazing formula. I love this shade. I think this with a deep lip liner is so pretty. I like it. So if you want me to test out more Kylie stuff, like her next launches, please let me know, because I will. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.